it from anyone. I don't want to do that. None of that felt right. Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Wow. Hi, Sharon. So we just finished the Lightworker Summit. Hi, Kerr. Woo. We just finished the Lightworker Summit. I just finished my segment. It was so amazing. 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 I'm honored and I'm thrilled to have done it. I knew it was going to be phenomenal. There's just something about channeling that I really do love to do and that I'm really good at. And I'm able to just, I'm able to do remarkable things with energy. I'm amazing at awakening souls to their fullest potential. I'm amazing at transforming people into who they want to be. Hey, Jaleesa, I'm amazing at awakening your dormant power. Sometimes I have to make you angry to do so. Hey, babe. Hi, the common law New Yorker. Sometimes I have to make you angry or trigger you emotionally, but I don't do it on purpose. And I do it in the most loving way possible. And I make sure to let you know that I might gotta trigger you, babe. But the way that I trigger you is not by attacking you. I talk to the emotions that are dormant and I awaken them. So for example, if I gotta trigger you to feel anger, I might start to speak to your cells and say, hey, the parts of your body that has been attacked, awaken the sensations that have been hidden. The parts of you that have felt disturbed or abused or disrespected or undervalued or rejected, awaken those parts of the body now and allow for them to be felt. And in those moments, your cells start to open up. So I never harm you by putting you through more traumatic experiences that would have you not want to trust me. I let you know that I'm going to speak to your cellular body and I'm going to awaken those feelings in you. So that way yourself is now able to feel, and then I will usher you through feeling those emotions, those sensations, and having this experience. Exactly, Kerr. Just like a healer does. Ashe, 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 ashe. It feels so good stopping by to say, hey, have an amazing day. Thank you, Jaleesa. You have an amazing too, babe. Amazing day as well. You have an amazing. I'll let you fill in the blank. There is something so powerful about being able to feel raw, completely, for real, in the now moment. There's something about being able to have someone assist you with feeling your emotions and have them love on you and nurture you as you feel your emotions. Yay. We each deserve wholeness. We each deserve to feel supported, cared for, and loved on. We each deserve to love ourselves first. I recently spoke to a friend and I asked him, I said, what is your spiritual practice? And he said, well, I live by 3 pillars: do good, speak well, and think good things. And I said, okay, now let's remove all people. If there's no other people on this planet, who are you talking to? And he said, I don't know. I guess myself. And I said, don't guess. I want you to tell me, who are you talking to? And he sat there in silence and he goes, well, if there's no one, and I'm like, okay, friend, who do you talk to when you're in here? And he was like, well, it just tells me what to do. And I'm like, well, what does it tell you? And he was like, do this, now do this, now do this, now do this, finish the next thing, finish the next thing. I said, does it encourage you I was like, does it support you by celebrating you when you finish the things that it tells you to do? No. I said, does it? He was like, well, you know me, I don't even celebrate my birthday. And I was like, okay. I said, does it uplift you or motivate you to do the things that it's encouraging you to do or telling you to do? He goes, no. I said, friend, I'm worried about you. He goes, I'm worried. I don't like how this feels as I'm saying it. I said, yeah, I don't like how it feels hearing you say it. And I said, okay, you got to fix this. You got to change this immediately. I said, this is not going to be how you're going to continue life, babe. So I sent him my book to help him out. And then I spoke some words over myself to give him an example. You must have an inner dialogue that is uplifting, encouraging, and inspirational. You don't got to be Tabitha Brown. You don't got to be Honeybee. You don't got to be Tony Robbins, and you don't got to be Bashar or Abraham Hicks. You do need to be yourself, though, talking to yourself internally with encouraging words. You must. Whoa. You must. You must. You have to. There are too many things on this planet that you're going to do. Too many things on this planet that you're going to become. There's going to be so much going on. You don't have, hey Bree, you don't have the time or the space. I could clip it and send it to you, Bree. You don't have the time or the space to not, hey Joannis, be speaking to yourself internally with kindness. You're not going to do the things that you love to do if you're not encouraging you in here. If you're always telling you, I have to, I must, that is pressure. As bright as you are not a diamond, you are not a crystal, and you are not a gem, stone. You're not a rock. You are a human. You have consciousness. You have a subconscious and unconscious mind. You have a shadow. You have an inner child. You have a body that feels stuff. Babe, you have to be kind to you. You got to love on you. You got to appreciate you. And you got to tell yourself up here, you got it, girl. You got it, babe. I believe in you. Heck yeah. Oh, wow, you're doing such a great job. Yes, I do love myself. You must positively affirm yourself mentally up here. Because if you're not doing anything up here but telling you what to do, or speaking to you negatively, or punishing you when you don't do something right, or telling you I should have, or I must have, or that was gross, or damn, I'm not, then babe, you're always going to need to outsource that information, or outsource that energy, or outsource that resource. And that's not going to work when you're in the thick of some shit and it's just you in that moment, your ancestors and your spirit guides. You have to be able to call on something to help you. Whether it's the universe, whether it's whatever. Please, guys, please tell me that you will choose to be kind to you. Please. That's all I wanted to say right now, okay? I love you all. Now let me stop talking so I could download this and send this to my friend Bree. I love you guys. Just promise me that you will speak kind to you. I don't give a fuck if you curse somebody out today, tomorrow, or next week. I'm just asking you to be kind to yourself. Sometimes a bitch needs to be cursed out. And that's just what the fuck that is. And realize that you don't got to curse a bitch out by getting out of order. You could curse a bitch out by leaning in close like this. And going, so you're the reflection of me that hates itself. That's what I look like when I treat myself that way. Oh, okay. Good thing I choose to love myself unconditionally now. Good day. Amen. You don't got to call a bitch out her name. You don't have to get a hoe together by snatching her edges off. You don't got to throw bows. We're goddesses. Put them down. Remember, always on the throne. Guards, thank you. We don't roll deep for nothing. Okay? We don't roll deep for nothing. Amen? Amen. I love you. Peace and love. Always. Guards! Thank you. 'Cause my days are over. I took the brass knuckles off. I'm insured now and I'm not paying no deductibles. No. God get her. I'm busy. I'm talking to the birds. I'm speaking to the water and I'm loving on the earth. I'm busy. Thank you. And remember, you can always just look at a person. And when they ask you, what are you looking at? Because we don't argue and go back and forth. If they gonna do something, they gonna do something. But I guarantee you a bitch that's talking ain't gonna do nothing. So just look at her and see your mirror. Because that's all that's happening. And you know how to handle that because you do your shadow work. We don't need to be unkind to each other. Just look at a bitch who's pissing you off. You don't need to get out of order. Treat yourself with the most love you can muster. Give yourself unconditional love over and over. Every waking and unconscious moment that you can. The reason why I share my work with y'all is so that you have the information to reprogram your mind. That is how you heal yourself from every ailment. I know the planet has all the herbs to make all the remedies that the pharmaceuticals do. You also have a physical body that does it on its own too. I get that those things can help reduce symptoms. You can also have your mind too. Your mind is the first thing that you use, boo. That is how you actually heal you. Otherwise, you are only taking care of symptoms. But if you want to heal and not cope, you get to the nucleus. And that is energy. Big energy. So understand, go to your therapist, go to your doctors, go to your apothecaries. Understand that Mrs. Honeybee is here to help you with the energy. That is what is at the core. I love y'all. If you need the book, A Guide to Self-Mastery and Creating a Life of Fulfillment, all you got to do is click the link tree in my bios, click on the email button and email me. Just say, honey, girl, send it to me. I know what you're talking about. And I'll just send you the book. That's it. If you want to tip me for the book, tip me for the book because it worked. It did something. But you don't got to waste money for something that don't help you. But if you think that you need assistance, or if you feel aligned with assistance that I provide, just reach out to me and I will give it to you. If it works, send some money. If it don't, send nothing. Just say thank you, girl, for a good read, because it's at least a good read, bitch. If you haven't purchased your tickets yet to Winter Solstice, link is in my bio. I'm excited. I'm thrilled. You get to meet me in person. I'll be in New York City from the 17th until the 22nd. Amen. Bust down. Your energy's yours always, everybody. I live in Chicago now. So if you're in Chicago, come see your girl. We close with unconditional love for the whole self. Ashe and amen. See you.